in such a cozy little home.
Red diamond, the heart and soul of man. Red diamond, protect us till.
Yeah! There's an urgent task for you.
Friend, a moment of your time.
Festival for jesters and the only fools I see.
You are no ordinary fool. Yoren knows a kindred spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. I know just how to make you the sole hero of the day. Time-honored Nord traditions. Fighting, food, foolishness, and fortification. Fun? Close enough. Sometimes Jorun has trouble wrestling all the great words he knows. When it is Jester's Day, everyone is a child of Skyrim. Any way you can, so long as someone is laughing. Jorun suggests you prance, dance, and sing before your king. Or do you seek to raise a toast and boast your deeds at my royal roast? You are no ordinary fool. Jorun knows a kindred spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. I know just how to make you the sole hero of the day. Just so. This one is heartsick without his betrothed. What good is all this food and drink without the one you love to pick it from your teeth? But Jorun is forbidden to see his bride-to-be until the day of our vows.